So, hello everyone. Frank Kutka here from College of Menominee Nation. I'm the Sustainable Agriculture faculty member, and I'm here at the Sustainable Development Institute research site where we have this year grown a crop of beans. Well, it's harvest time. We've pulled all the beans with help of the local high school students and our interns, and today we're threshing them out. So we have had them drying for several days on some tarps here in the sun, and the goal after that is to just walk on them till all the pods break. And you can see it's already kind of mashed down. We've been working over them for about 20 minutes here now. After we break it all up really good, what we want to see is a lot of beans underneath all the trash. And we will then winnow this out between some buckets here and hopefully get some nice clean beans for us to eat and maybe plant next year. So larger scale than most of us do in the garden, but it still works. Buffalo Bird Woman said, and we like it too. Bye now. Throw them over there. On a pile. Yeah, Brandon will fix it. Okay, you got some of these. So it's just a different variety.
Oh, okay.
What it means is that, although it rarely happens, the guys who grew these beans grew them very close to some other varieties, and some bees intermated them.
Oh, cool.
And so these come from a hybrid plant, and we can save these and grow them out and select a new variety from them.
Oh, wow.
So if we want an SDI variety of bean, we could do this. So just an opportunity that presents itself once in a while when you grow beans. Usually they just self-pollinate and it's good year to year, but this is a new opportunity. Even with all the dirt in there, there's a lot of beans. And like I said, it's only half of them.